Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to enable self-destruct messages on Telegram. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Telegram app, open it, and after that go to settings. After that go to privacy and security. And as you can see, there is an option called auto delete messages. Click on it. And after that, select the self-destruct timer. For example, you have 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, or you can set a custom time as you like. And you have just to click on that option and click enable auto deletion. And like that, the new messages will be self-destructed after that time. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.